Working out in the kitchen on a Sunday morning in my pajamas. Time for our homemade croutons. Alright, so I have here a sourdough that did not come out the way that I wanted. It was too flat. The rising time wasn't the right one. It was just like a fail, but we do not, what did I say? We do not throw away failures because we learn from them and also we repurpose them. And that should be like a motto in life in general. Okay, lots of stomping. Somebody's coming.
Now you're making?
No, I'm not making banana bread, not yet. We're just gonna cut. You can grab any bread you have. This one it's a little bit old, so it's gonna take a little bit of time. Like I said, grab any bread you have around the house that is a little bit old. You can also turn it into breadcrumbs. For the purpose of today's video, we're just gonna make croutons for our soup. We're gonna cut them into 1-inch square. At least we're gonna try to, right? I'm gonna try to. And then we're gonna coat them with olive oil, spray them with a little bit of avocado oil, add some herbs, salt, and then just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I have Parmigiano Reggiano. Working out in the kitchen on a Sunday morning in my pajamas. This bread is harder than it looks. It's been in the fridge for a few days now. So let's cut this, guys, and then see how it goes. I'm gonna place it here. I also have my pizza guy with a little hole and the parchment paper. If you don't have this, no worries. You get whatever you can get. Let's see if we cut it in half. I don't want very big breadcrumbs. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna try to cut it in half and then see how it works. I'm gonna get another knife. There we go. Ha! See? Sometimes about changing life, changing knives, changing life, and changing relationships. Things that don't serve you. Don't be afraid to change. I know there's a lot of resistance from the people around you. Sometimes it's society. Don't be afraid to make changes because things do not work for you. That's a big lesson that I've learned in life. We're gonna put them in a nice bowl. All right. Okay. Here we go. So a little bit of olive oil. I would say a tablespoon for a little bit extra. A little bit of avocado oil. I have Italian seasoning. Good amount. Very little salt, because remember, in our soup we add 2 bouillon cubes, so just a little bit of salt. Also, these guys are great for salads. And some organic truffle oil, just a little bit for aroma. Just a little bit. And then I'm gonna grate some cheese. 1 to 2 tablespoons of cheese. Of how much cheese you want to add. I think we're good. Now, yes, my friends, you heard it. Even though I haven't said it yet. We're getting dirty. So put your hands in there. You want to coat these babies. Really get in. We add a little bit extra avocado oil. Or whatever oil you have. No, let me put it, because you go a little bit you're too generous with the oil sometimes. Don't block the camera. Oh, no.
Really good.
It smells good? Good. Okay, so I found a few ones that I feel like they're too big. Let's try to chop them. Let's chop them real quick. Also, while you're cooking, don't be afraid of making mistakes. That's how you learn. Absolutely. I am so pro of making mistakes. And it's not that it's like making mistakes. You're making experiments. Some experiments work, others don't work. Like that. Simple as that. And I'm gonna bake them for 10 minutes and check. I think 10 minutes should be good. Singing and cooking and making some croutons. Singing and cooking and making some croutons for my beautiful soul. For my beautiful, 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 beautiful soul. Make sure they all have space to be who they need to be. Space. And then they'll go in the oven for 10 minutes. 10 minutes in and they're still a little bit soft. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave them in the oven, turn off the oven, and just let them be for at least 30 minutes and then check them. Guys, the smell is intoxicating. So good. Light change of plans because I checked at 15 minutes and they looked very done. So I decided to take them out and this is the end result. Crunchy, yummy, and croutony. I don't even know if that's a word, but let me know how it goes and I hope you can add this amazingness to your soups. You won't regret it. Ciao!